Hello everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your Epic Games account. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search epicgames.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on Epic Games website. Be sure that you are logged in to your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right of your screen. Tap on your profile. There you'll see the option of account. Select account. Now scroll all the way down and there you'll see the section of delete account. Tap on the blue tab that says request account delete. Epic Games will now send you a security code on your email. So open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the code. Copy it and then go back to your browser and paste it. When you are done, tap on confirm delete request. Select a reason for deleting your account and then tap on continue. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that your account has been deactivated and will be deleted in 14 days. This way you can delete your Epic Games account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.